into the stratosphere. What's good, boy? I'm just kidding. What's good, boys? What's good? It is your boy Aaron, and we are back at it again with another banger YouTube video. I just want to get straight up into this one, man. We are going over Nubank and how it did this week. And in case you didn't know, I love Nubank. It is honestly one of my biggest holdings currently, and I have even started a challenge where I kind of just buy some Nubank every single week in my interactive brokers account, and we kind of see what we have at the end of the year. I think that is going to be quite the adventure. But if you're ready for this, let's just go ahead and strap in. We're going to talk about how it performed this week, and then we're going to talk about what I think it may do next week, and we're just going to talk about a catalyst this week that may be the reason for all of this today, or not today, but this week. But if you think you're going to like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight on into this thing. Now, oh, man, I stated that Nubank was in a current channel, and as you can see right here, it is literally in a channel, and it has respected this channel pretty freaking nicely. We're going to get my drawing tool out. As you can see here, it has hit it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and every single time it has respected this bottom support and has gone back up. And on the contrary, every single time it hits this upper resistance, it has gone back down. So the first thing that I could possibly see Nubank doing is going up, hitting this top resistance at about 1815, about 1860, and then potentially coming right back down. If you go over here to the weekly chart, man, this thing is looking freaking primed, y'all. Go away. I don't want that anymore. This thing is looking so primed. And again, like, I see this kind of going up still and then kind of coming back down, kind of like it did back here in November. So it's not really much to it. If you're wondering like how I come up with these scenarios, it is literally just what the chart is telling me, y'all. If it respects it and goes back up, 9 times out of 10 is going to do it again, unless a catalyst comes out or unless sellers deem that the stock needs to, go down a little bit before it can go back up. But that is not the case for Nubank this week at all. Like we just saw on that weekly chart, it's had one of its best weeks in a long time, since November. And we are up 8% for the week here, and we are up 9% here. So about just as good as it was back in December. We're currently in this channel, and as long as it continues to respect it, we should see some whipsaw, some back and forth action all the way up until either another catalyst comes out. And my thought is until earnings come. So I think we may be stuck in this channel here until earnings, which is February 25th, Wednesday, and you best believe I'm gonna be covering that. I really want to do live, like I want to do a live video, either a live stream or just like a live video of when it drops and kind of just going over the chart as it is live, because I want to start doing that. I want to start doing some live trading and all that good stuff, and it may start with Nubank. But that is kind of the chart right now. Has not seen these 18 areas really ever since, what is this, since December. So it's been about a month, and we kind of have tapped this $18 range a few times and have gone down. We like to call this kind of like a price discovery. We don't know what the stock wants to do quite yet, especially since it is sitting at highs right now. It could potentially hit another new all-time high here possibly next week, y'all. If this continues up, we might get like a little pullback, and then another continuation up. But this could potentially, hit new all-time highs next week. I'm saying it. With the way this thing is rallying right now, with the customers, with the revenue, with the news that kind of dropped this week, I see this kind of still climbing on up a little bit until we hit this upper resistance, and then potentially either break through that, which I don't see that happening. I think earnings have to be like killer for that to happen. But still, I mean, this channel that we're in is holding up pretty nicely, and I think we continue to go up. Now, I want to talk about the catalyst that happened this weekend. And if you have not been here on any of my videos, we have talked about the Nubank and Mercedes Petronas Formula One team agreeing to a multi-deal global partnership. Basically, Nubank is partnering with Mercedes, the Formula One team, to officially announce them as a team partner, basically just going to be branding and trying to revolutionize how the viewers experience Formula One. This is going to be killer. I cannot freaking wait until I see what they start doing with this. This just got announced January 21st, 2026. And so 3 days, not much is going to come out from it. We just have to kind of see. But I think with how big Formula One is, I think in this, it says it's about 830 million fans worldwide, and Nubank currently only has 127 million customers compared to the 827 million fans. So yeah, this thing is absolutely about to skyrocket the second that these races start happening, and the second that Nubank gets into the United States, because Nubank has applied for a US banking charter back on September 30th. And I don't want to keep talking about that because obviously I've said this a lot before, but if you're new here, have not heard this news, have not seen this news, look at this. Nubank customers saved 29 million in 1 year via strategic, well, I can't talk, strategic partnerships. Nubank becomes the largest private financial institution in Brazil. Man, oh man, that was January 22nd. The day after this awesome, amazing news kind of dropped. And in case you didn't know, Nubank is right now the largest digital banking online services. Currently, right now, no other one rivals it. Not SoFi, not Chime, not anything. Nubank is the largest, and it's only in 3 countries. I don't know, I have said that quite a lot in my previous videos, but it currently is only in Brazil, Mexico, and Colombia. The United States and beyond, whatever. It's only a matter of time. This is coming. It is coming to the United States, and it is going to freaking launch this stock into the stratosphere. Into the motherfucking stratosphere. I'm telling you guys, it is currently $18, and if this gets into the US along with Formula One, y'all, this is going $20-25. I'm calling it right now. By summertime, this is going to be a $25-30 stock. Calling it right now. And if it's not, I'm selling all of my Nubank holding stock. That's how freaking confident I am, y'all. Get yourself some shares if you haven't already. Either that or buy shares when they're $30. It's up to you, man. It's up to you. And with that, that is today's video. Nothing to it. Short, sweet, to the point. Nubank is just respecting this channel. We had some awesome catalysts this week come out, and that is why it's on the way up. In my opinion, we continue to go up, test this top resistance here, and then continue to drop back down. I got some videos in the pipeline. I think I might post 2 tomorrow. I'm not really sure what they're gonna be yet, but I got some ideas flowing, y'all. So stay tuned for those. If you enjoyed the video, you already know what you gotta do. Give it a thumbs up. Maybe possibly even subscribe and leave me a comment, but you don't have to. A like is fine, and really just the view is fine with me. And with that being said, everyone stay safe with this winter ice storm coming up, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.